Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix marathon game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. But if the issue continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and try to play the game and see if it's working. But if the issue again occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. The next method is to uninstall BattlEye and launch the game and reinstall the game. So what you need to do is go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on browse manage, now click on browse local files. Again go to the game folder. Here you can see BattlEye folder. You have to first select uninstall BattlEye, right click on it and click on run as administrator, click on yes. After you have done this, again install BattlEye. After installing BattlEye, then try to launch the game and then check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues, move to the next method. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, under library, click on settings, now click on downloads, then go below. Here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam again, confirm it. After that, log into Steam once again and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. Wait for some time. If any update is available, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and then check if it's working or not. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, don't worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to delete temp files. So you have to press Windows plus R and have to type temp, press OK, and here you have to select the whatever the temp files are here, select all, and after that click on the delete icon. After deleting the temp files, now try to launch the game and check. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them. Now after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task, and this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already given this link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below, click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes and wait for some time. After that, close it and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if your PC have antivirus software installed, you are suggested to disable it once before you launch the game. This is an important step, so you can easily play the game after disabling your antivirus program. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and then check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after selecting it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance and finally launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues, then the final solution is to reinstall Marathon game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and after that launch Steam and again reinstall Marathon game once again and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix Marathon game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.